It is 140 meters long, 11 meters in diameter, and weighs a total of 600 tons. When stood upright, it's as tall as a 50-story building. If you saw such a gigantic object on the road, anyone with a fear of massive things would definitely be triggered. This is the world's largest propane-propylene separation tower, produced in Ningbo, Zhejiang, and transported to Penglai, Shandong. Some people might ask, how much does it cost to transport something like this? The netizen answered, the manufacturing cost is 100 million yuan, and the shipping fee is 50 million yuan. This is not an exaggeration. Transporting such a massive object first requires loading it onto a ship, shipping it by sea, then moving it overland to its destination after docking, and finally completing the hoisting process. Every step is extremely costly, especially the overland transport after docking, which is the most difficult and crucial part of the entire process. Therefore, in order to ensure that nothing goes wrong during transportation, the carrier started planning the transport scheme 6 months in advance, and the preparations alone took more than a month. To clear obstacles for the transport equipment, the local authorities modified more than 50 communication and high-voltage lines, reinforced over 10 bridges, widened more than 20 road sections, and requisitioned over 400 mu of land. Another netizen asked, what happens if you encounter a toll station? The answer is to dismantle it. Generally, toll stations have extra wide lanes to allow vehicles transporting special cargo to pass through. However, the equipment being transported this time is even wider than the toll station itself, so it has to be temporarily dismantled. But once the cargo has passed, the toll station must be rebuilt. All of these costs have to be covered by the transport company itself. So, with all the road clearing work done, how do you transport equipment weighing 600 tons? The answer is this type of hydraulic modular trailer. This kind of trailer is made up of several modules, so it can be assembled to match the size of the cargo, no matter how large it is. Each row of wheels can move forward, backward, and rotate, allowing the trailer to turn or reverse in place. For this transport, the trailer alone had over 200 wheels, enough to support a weight of more than 20 tons. Some people worry that such a heavy load might completely damage the road surface. In fact, the trailer's more than 200 wheels distribute the weight evenly, so each wheel bears less than 3 tons, about the same as a large truck on the road. Moreover, these wheels are wide and large, so they don't cause much damage to the road surface. In addition, the transportation process requires a large team, including personnel for surveying road conditions, clearing the way, escorting, and mechanical maintenance, as well as coordination from traffic police, road authorities, and others to handle any unexpected situations that may arise. Even so, the transport vehicle still has to move at a very slow speed. It took a full 34 hours to cover the 6.8-kilometer land transport distance. The whole process was like ants moving house. Some imaginative netizens have asked, since land transport is so difficult, why not use air transport? Take the Antonov Tu-125, the largest transport aircraft in the world. For example, it is 84 meters long, has a wingspan of 88 meters, and its maximum payload is only 250 tons. Moreover, this aircraft was destroyed in the recent war. At present, there is not a single aircraft in the world capable of handling such a task. The transportation process is complete. The installation process is also a tremendous challenge. Lifting equipment included a 5-0-ton gantry crane and a 2-0-ton crawler crane for auxiliary hoisting. After more than 30 hours, this giant was finally positioned on the ground.